What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And on today's episode is actually dedicated to you guys because we've had a lot of interest from our previous episode where you guys were asking, how can you win a beautiful E46 BMW? Standing next to me is one of the custodians of this amazing opportunity. Do you want to maybe introduce yourself to
Hi guys, so my name is Amira. Some of you might know me, but we are standing here with the bucket list. This is not about me.
First time I heard a woman say that. This is not about me.
We'll hear it a lot, don't lie. Anyways, the bucket list is a licensed and accredited organization and they run raffles. But the twist is the proceeds all go to NGOs and NPOs. So the current raffle that we are running is that you can win a 2004 special edition 318i BMW.
BMW guys. I mean, she had me at BMW. So maybe do you want to take us through the car and also how we can win it?
Right, so let's show you guys the car first.
That's the fun part.
I mean, we know 2004, a lot of you are going to say it's an old car.
It's not an old car.
I don't think it's an old
It's
car.
a future modern classic.
I don't want to hear that comment in it. We've heard it a lot, okay? This is a beautiful car.
It is.
It is in pristine condition. Okay, everything on this car is original.
Nice.
It's very pretty blue. Everybody that's not into
Yeah, so the actual color is called Astoro Blue. Very rare color. Now what I like about this car personally is that it's got its original paintwork. And you guys know that I'm an interior person. So let's show them how the interior actually looks. Roof liner is all original.
Everything is original. in this
Now,
car.
guys, what you'll notice a lot of the E46s, these pieces tend to get scratched and dilapidated. This car is absolutely in great condition. What I love is the leather and the fabric because obviously it came on the special model as well. Do you know what's the mileage?
It is sitting at 89,000.
89,000 guys, and this is a 2004 model. And again, for you guys that know how I look at cars, so how to validate whether the mileage is actually correct, I gave you guys an indication that there's no wear and tear here. If you look at the door panel condition, if you look at the steering wheel condition, if you look at the gear knob condition, the handbrake condition, and your center armrest, because if you have heavy elbows like me, you know it's gonna get damaged and dented. But personally, this is one of the cars that I would honestly say is a future classic because it's reliable and also the spec itself. So this is definitely a car I would love to add to my collection. So how do we win this car?
Okay, so it's very simple. Basically, you are going to go to www.thebucketlist.co.za and you register all of your details on the website and you pay 100 Rand for your entry. And it's that simple.
That's it.
You can enter as many times as you want, so as many 100 Rands that you have to spare. Go for it.
Nice.
And yeah, you could be driving away in this car.
Nice. Let's have a look at the engine. Yeah, look at that, eh? Sure. Do you maybe want to tell us about the engine?
Okay, I still am a girl.
Okay. I was testing you.
Listen, I like to drive cars. I don't know about building them. But I do know that this is very clean.
Yes, that's the first point. And also the nice thing is it's got a very cool BMW badge. So that's a selling point as well. And it's got more BMW logos. Am I on the right track?
I think so.
That's a 318 if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, it is.
Very reliable, very light on fuel. And it's a type of car that if you want to, you could daily it. Or you could park it away and just watch the car appreciate. So, do you know the maintenance history of the car?
No, but the winner will be provided with the maintenance system.
That's important questions, 100%. So guys, make sure that you guys enter. It's only going to cost you 100 Rand. Okay guys, now let's, every BMW person will want to check if the car has tools. Let's actually go see if the car has tools. Okay, you open. You can do the honors.
And the hills. There we go.
Ah, look at that. Full toolkit, guys. It's just the 13 and the 12 is missing, but we'll make sure that the new owner gets the 12 and the 13. Okay, so that's a telltale sign that this car is actually a very good car. And also, you can look at the condition of the boot. I mean, you can see the carpets. Not a lot of groceries was put in here.
No stains.
Oh, we don't want to go through the stain part. Okay, cool, not bad. The more I look at this car, the more I like it, eh?
Wow, you can go and buy your ticket.
Am I allowed to enter?
I mean, I'm not allowed to enter.
Okay.
No one said anything about you.
It's a no-brainer, guys. Really, it is.
And not to mention, the proceeds are going to charity.
Definitely. That's the biggest part here. So you get a BMW and also you have the opportunity to help those in need. So it's definitely a no-brainer, guys. So make sure that you guys contact the details on screen right now. For 100 Rand, you could be walking away with the dream BMW.
And,
I wouldn't have a notion.